Road marking. Today, one road was blocked. That's because the workers are making it. From the early morning, our buddy's marking the road. He wants to finish as soon as possible because he doesn't want to keep others waiting. Hey, hold on a second. Looks like we've run out of paint. Have you got a spare can? Don't worry, BiBi's workshop's not far. He must have some paint. Let's go.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Meanwhile, BiBi was sorting out garbage he wanted to throw away.
Oh, wow. Guess I have to clean up more often. Oops. Oh no. Okay, I guess this can't wait. Can I help you?
And so our friend Road Marker told BiBi about his important task and that he was trying to do his job quickly and good. But then he ran out of paint and it didn't have any more left.
Oh. Okay. Don't worry, I've got plenty of paint. Hold on a second. Here. Sorry, little guy, I didn't know what color you need, so I brought a few.
Is this the right color?
Do you need black paint? No?
Is this the right color?
Do you need red paint? No?
Is this the right color?
Aha! Okay, let's fill you up with white paint. That's all. Bye-bye. Hey, hold on. You forgot your papers. Hey, buddy, can we show what you got to the guys? Ah, now we all know about zebra crossing. It's a cross-section for people to get across the roadway. Drivers should pay close attention to cross-sections, because safety is the main priority on the road. This, for example, is the double solid. There is no way a car should cross this type of line. It separates the road in two parts, for cars go in separate directions. Now the broken line is different. It can be crossed. Arrows show directions.
Thanks for telling us that, BiBi. I think it's time for our friend to get back to work.
Good luck to you. Your job is very interesting. See ya!
And so the road marker went back to finish his job. And it did it very well. Now this part of road is safe for cars and pedestrians alike.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, Press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
Pirate treasure. One day, BiBi went fishing, but he didn't catch any fish.
Oh, I got something. Hey! Oh, what's that? That's cool.
Wow, look, Bibs. I think you just caught a real treasure map.
Awesome! I always wanted to go treasure hunting. Hurry up, you guys. It's adventure time.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
BiBi took a closer look at the map he caught, and it turned out that it leads to a sunken pirate ship. Did you guys know that the first pirates appeared in ancient Greece? They used to rob ships and even small towns. Pirates exist till this day.
Let's see. We've passed the Bermuda Triangle, Mariana Trench too. Looks like we're almost there. Hooray! We found it! A real pirate ship.
Watch out, Bibs. There's a shark.
Whoa! Let's hide.
Phew, that was close. That shark must be guarding the ship. Now how do we get to it?
We must distract the shark somehow. Then we can get to the ship. I know! Sharks like chasing smaller fish. Let's baffle it with this little RC robo-fish. I need your help, guys. We must find a battery to turn on the robo-fish. Come on, it's gonna be fun.
What should we choose? How about a candy?
A candy? I don't think so. We can still eat it later though. I'm sure it's yummy.
What about a pencil?
The pencil isn't a battery. It won't make the fish move. Yay! That's the battery. The robo-fish can swim now.
Take that, evil shark. Maybe now you won't be so evil. Our ship is way too big. It can't get inside. BiBi will have to use the diving suit. Let's help BiBi put on the suit, you guys. This is a hockey mask. It's no good for diving. This is a welder's mask. We can't use it. Yep, that's what we need. Now BiBi can swim underwater. There's a treasure here somewhere. Check out those barrels, Beebs. Nope, nothing there. Maybe it's hidden in the cannon. Where did those pirates put the treasure? BiBi, look! That octopus is slipping in some kind of hole. We should check it out. Hooray! We found the treasure! Hey, BiBi, we're almost run out of oxygen. We must get back to the ship. Thanks to you guys, BiBi managed to find the sunken pirate ship, baffled the evil shark, and found the missing treasure. What a great day!
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.
BiBi helps the bus. It is a big day for the city transport company. 10 brand new buses came in today. Finally, some of the old ones can get some rest. Those of them who can still work can start doing commuter routes. Although it seems like not everyone is happy with the new set of rules. Come over, they should help you out here.
BiBi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BiBi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BiBi's fixes all these orders.
Good evening. What happened? Can I help you somehow?
And the boss told BiBi that he is retired now. He feels sad because the new bosses took his job.
That is sad.
He doesn't know how to not do anything. The boss feels like he should be working. He doesn't want to be bored all the time and get rusty.
Oh. Yeah. What a story. Wait a minute. I'll figure it out. Well. The old bus. Eureka! I got it! I think you can do themed travel tours around town. We'll make you a retro bus. You'll be showing people places and telling stories. I'm sure everybody will love that. So, are you agree? First of all, we should change your color and get some varnish on ya. You look as good as new. Let's see which one's better.
What about this one?
Nope. That's too simple.
What about this color?
Well, okay.
Red?
Exactly what we need. You look awesome. Now let me polish you real quick. Something still's not right. That's right. You need new wheels, buddy. Okay.
Shall we?
Nope. That's too simple.
What about these?
Cool. That's not retro style.
These should be fine.
That's right. I think that's just a ticket. Now let me just clean you up inside. All done.
The bus was very happy. He couldn't find the right words to thank BiBi for what he did. He looked awesome. He felt cool too.
I'm very pleased to help you. Hope you'll show me the town one day. Good luck!
It was a brand new chapter in the life of our friend Bus. And it all thanks to BiBi. Now his route is the most popular route in town. And of course, the bus showed BiBi some respect by showing him all the beautiful sights and places.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BiBi team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.